The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I'm going to take a look at a hacked Google account, or what is sometimes called a compromised Google account. And hopefully you have found out that your Google account's been hacked quite early on and you have managed to do a search and found this particular Help Center article by Google for Google account help. And the information is quite lengthy, and it does suppose that you still have access to the Google account. Now, that isn't everybody's experience, and I would suggest that you first of all use this digital support assistant here, which will help you tailor the information supplied here to your specific circumstances. If you cannot get back into your Google account, and if you owned a YouTube channel with that particular Google account, then you may be able to get support from YouTube itself. And I'm going to give you the link to the form that I'm going to show you just now in the video description below. It's this one here. Now, you will only see this particular form, it says here, report YouTube hijacking, if you are a YouTube partner. If you are not, you will not see that, and you will see this one instead. And here you also have the option to use a digital assistant to support you. The problem with not having access to the form is that it is this form that actually gets you the one-to-one support that you need. So if you're not a YouTube partner and you need access to the form, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the link to Team YouTube over on Twitter. And what you'll need to do is contact them, tweet to them, and ask them to give you access to the 72-hour hijacking form. And when I say 72-hour hijacking form, what they'll do is once they've made contact with you via DM, they will whitelist you for 3 days to make use of this particular form. You will see scrolling through the form that a lot of the information is required, and one of the required fields is the channel ID. Now, the channel ID is one that YouTubers customarily do not know, because it is that unique code which starts with www.youtube.com/channel/UC and then a bunch of random characters. Now, you can reach out to the support team to be given that particular code, but you can also use your @handle to go to your YouTube channel and then look in the About section under Share Channel. So that is the way of contacting YouTube in the event that you cannot regain control of your Google account. YouTube will do everything they can to return a hijacked YouTube channel to you. But unless there is evidence of a hijacking or a hacking of the Google account itself, they cannot necessarily return that as well. But it is your best bet. Now, failing all of this, there is one other possibility. Did you own a Google AdSense account with that Google account? If so, then the link that I will leave below for Google AdSense support may help you. Hopefully you succeed. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.